Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. In 3 weeks, voters will go to the polls in East Portland. The announcement was made during a mass meeting in Port Antonio last night. The Jamaica Labour Party is seeking to end 30 years of the PNP's control of the seat. As TVJ's Janella Precious reports, JLP leader Andrew Holness is confident that it's possible.
They came from near and far just to hear this.
The 8th of March will be the nomination day. The 25th of March will be Action Day.
A sea of green in Port Antonio, West Portland MP Darrell Vaz insisting that supporters were not transported from other constituencies.
You're going to hear the bad mind PNP them tomorrow morning say, we're busing people from all over Jamaica. Make me so heavy and the crowds are heavy down here. Everybody from Portland, put up your hand. Everybody from Portland, put up your hand. Prime Minister, watch out for you.
Instead, the JLP believes this is a sign of the wind of change in East Portland.
I sense the mood that the young people don't want nobody own them and take them for granted. That they can stay there for 30 years and nothing no happen, and you just send a man, and because your father and your grandfather voted a particular way, you are going to vote the same way now. Not no go so. Things and times change.
I hear Peter Phillips and other people blame Labour Party for all the things that don't do in East Portland. And for the past 30 years, they have been in charge of the government with 23 years out of it. How they so lie and worthless.
The party confident with its candidate of choice, Anne-Marie Vaz.
I can't tell you when the next election will be called. That's the general. But I can tell you something. It will be less than 2 years. Give Action and 2 years probation to prove ourselves. Give her 2 years on the job. And I promise you will not be disappointed.
That promise also came from the aspiring East Portland MP, who says she's been working long before getting the nod from the party last September.
We had a major cleanup here in the town over Christmas. And a continuous bushing program has started from Long Bay to Folly. The motorists, the cyclists, the pedestrians are so happy because the roads are now clear for them to travel on it.
Among her plans, providing opportunities for constituents through the development of the ICT, tourism and agriculture sectors.
When I talk to the youths on the corner, their cry, we don't have any opportunity. They have to leave the parish to find opportunity. That won't work with me because I want my youth in Portland to build East Portland.
So now the bell has sounded. The JLP is promising to keep its campaign clean, focusing mainly on the issues affecting the constituency. Janella Precious, TVJ News.